In this lesson, we're going to be looking at some Chrome extensions. Now, depending on what you need to do, these Chrome extensions will either add functionality to your G Suite or just make your life a little bit simpler. So I'm going to add some more as I find some or as I have finished testing them. My first one is going to be called Meeting Scheduler for Gmail. And Meeting Scheduler for Gmail is made by CloudHQ. So the way it works is you open up your Chrome, you go to this address, the link will be in the resources, and you say add to Chrome. You say add extension.
Schedule your meetings in one email with Meeting Scheduler. I'm heading to San Francisco from...
Just going to pause that for right now. I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create an account. So let's do that, create an account. And we're going to say, click on that. What CloudHQ is now going to be asking you permission for is to see, edit, and share all of your Google Calendars. If you're not happy with those permissions, you unfortunately can't use this extension. So watch what I'm going to do, and then you'll see if it's actually worth it. Let's push allow. A couple of new things that have come in. Obviously, there's an email that's come from CloudHQ that says congratulations. There's this little button over here that says CloudHQ Gmail apps. So if you click on that, there's a signature generator, and there's all CloudHQ products, which you can look at. We're not going to do that right now. I'm just going to make this bigger so you can see, and I'm going to send this to my Gmail account. And I'm going to call this Wanna Meet Up with a question mark. And now instead of doing backwards and forwards and saying, I'm free on Monday at 9 o'clock, are you free at Monday? No, well, I'm free at this time, and getting different time zones and trying to figure out what's actually happening, this actually does it for you. On Office 365, there is a wonderful extension called Find Time, which is made by engineers at Microsoft. And this is a similar idea, but let me show you. So you can write your email and say, hey, want to meet up. And then you push this little button next to your send here, which is the meeting scheduler for Gmail. So let's click on that. So firstly, it asks you what calendar. So now if you have multiple calendars, you can look in here. If you want to change the subject of the message, you can change it here. Call me at, we can do the meeting address here. So we can do coffee shop in town, or whatever you want to do as the physical address. And the meeting can be meet up. You can say the meeting duration, we're going to say it's 60 minutes. You can say their travel time, depending. It's going to insert a link that you can click on to make this work. So you can say, click here to reserve our meeting time, or click here for more, or whatever you would like to do. You can also put it in as a button with different colors. And you can add a GIF if you want. So let's see, let's do a meeting. Okay, that looks like a fairly good GIF. In your calendar, you obviously have meetings already. So it's going to look at a specific time. Now, let's say you would like to not meet on Mondays, because Mondays are always hectic. Let's say Tuesday and Wednesday, but not Thursday and Friday. And you don't want to do it at 9 o'clock. You'd like to do it at 10. And you can end at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. On Wednesday, you would like to start at 11. And you would like to finish at 4:30. Perfect. And then you can also say it's only valid for this date range. So we can make it from today until, let's say until we go away the 13th of December. So that's a month's date range. So we're going to say insert. Okay, and that's what the email will look like. So I'm going to send this and see what it looks like on the other side. Okay, and this is the email that's come through to me. So let's see how it works now. I'm going to say click here for more. And you'll see it goes through to the Cloud HQ website. It says I am the host. Let's say I'd like to meet on Tuesday. I can either click on this one, or I can say after the 19th. So I can click on that. And you'll see other days. Say the 26th. And let's do it at 10:30. It is now confirmed. Date and the time, the location, and the duration. If I now go back to my calendar on my Gmail, and I look here on the 26th, you'll see the date has been automatically entered into my account. There's the coffee shop. I can join by phone. I can join a Hangouts meeting, and here are the 2 people that are going to be there, and will remind me one day before. And that is it. That's how simple it is to plan a meeting. Then emails you and says meeting is booked. And there it is, and it's obviously in my calendar as well. Okay, and it says here, prepare for the Wanna Meetup at 10 a.m. and Wanna Meetup is at 10:30. So it's there, it's entered, nice and simple. I hope that Chrome extension helps you. If you have other Chrome extensions that you'd like me to look at, please include them in the comments below. Thanks so much.